In the latest JavaScript version, there was an addition of the new feature called Map.groupBy. The main idea of this feature is to help you to group your elements. In this case, what I'm doing, I'm grouping this inventory by quantity. So first you are passing the array and then the rule by which you will be grouping the elements. In this case, if the quantity is 15, I group into restock, or if it's more than 15, into sufficient. So the result that we are getting is a map of two entries: restock with apple and grapes because the quantity is less than 15, and sufficient. If you are using the keys as a string, it's much better not to use a map group by, but just an object group by. The map group by, the main idea is, of course, when you need a map, and the second is when your key is a little bit sophisticated than just a string. For example, let's have restock key, and it will be an object with restock true. And now we can use it in our map. We will get a new map, but now the key is an object with restore true, and the same will be array. After, because it's a map, we can use it to get the values. For example, let's get an array of restock items. You will get, if you are using the restock key, you will get an array of 2 items. And here is the very important stuff. You need to use the same key. Even if you are trying to use even the same, like it's almost the same, it's the same as restock, but when I try to use it, it will get undefined. So remember, if you are using Map.groupBy, you need then, when you're using get, to use the same key. You cannot use the key that like looks the same, but it's not. And I hope this helps. Have a great day. Bye.